Hello everyone! I'm happy to welcome you on my channel. I'm Jessica. In this video, I want to discuss the game Hamster Combat. For nearly 2 weeks now, not a day has passed without hearing about this curious Telegram clicker game called Hamster Combat. Many students from my academy have asked me to explain what it's all about. You have no idea how challenging it was to write the script for this video, because the topic is quite complex and finding reliable information was also not an easy task. Most videos on YouTube are made with one goal in mind: to get you to click on bloggers' referral link. But what is exactly Hamster Combat and how is it related to Notcoin? Let me explain this to you right now. First, I advise you to watch this video till the end, because I'll be sorting out the information gradually. Let's start by understanding some concepts that will be used later on. Officially, Telegram has a blockchain called Ton, created by Paulo Durov. A blockchain is a ledger for storing and transferring digital assets. Within the Ton blockchain, there is an official Telegram coin called Notcoin. Don't mix the terms Ton and Notcoin, even though Notcoin is often called shortly as Ton. In January 2024, Telegram developers with personal guarantees from Paulo Durov launched a clicker project called Notcoin. This project was nearly identical to what Hamster Combat is now, a simple clicker where you earn coins by clicking on the screen and completing various interactive tasks to increase the number of your coins. Developers of Notcoin promised players that when the coin got listed on an exchange, all the coins they had clicked could be sold at market value. For example, at its peak, 10,000 Notcoins were worth about $120, and participants could withdraw their Notcoins at this price. Personally, I have friends who withdrew around $2,500 from Notcoin because they did it at its peak. Most regular users got around $10 to $20, and many didn't even manage to withdraw even a couple of bucks due to exchange fees. Another important factor is that not everyone could retrieve their coins. Some accounts were blocked for rule violations, such as using auto-clickers or creating multiple accounts. Some were mistakenly blocked during technical issues, and others couldn't figure out how to actually convert their coins to real money, or were too young to register on an exchange, which requires ID verification. So out of around 40 million Notcoin players, only about 10 to 15 million managed to earn anything, often just small amounts like $10 to $30. The Notcoin tap is over, and a new project called Hamster Combat is now going viral. The mechanics of Hamster Combat are the same as Notcoins, but now you play as hamster that transforms into a businessman with a growing number of clicks. You can also complete tasks, buy boosts with in-game currency to increase your hourly income, or subscribe to social networks, watch videos and articles, and so much more. Now, let me state the key questions. First, why is this activity likely not to be a scam in its traditional understanding? No, this is not an ad, and I won't be leaving any referral links here. I don't play Hamster Combat myself. And the second question, what's the benefit for developers to pay out money? Well, let's look at Notcoin as an example to understanding how this clicker system works and why it is not for free. And I'll explain it in a simple way. Hamster Combat's audience is over 100 million players worldwide, with more than 15 million followers on their Telegram and YouTube channels. This huge audience, larger than Notcoin's, is due to people's love for free stuff and those who missed out Notcoin's success. Had seen a similar project, they thought that they could make money this time and started clicking straight away, completing tasks and sharing referral links. If you look at their website, we see a roadmap indicating the project's future development and activities. But then a question raises, will Hamster Coin be listed, and why should they give away money for clicks? The listing will almost certainly happen, and here's why. For example, Gate Exchange has already started pre-sales. The main question is why people get money for just clicking on a virtual hamster, and how do developers benefit? Here's the answer. You don't really get the money for nothing. If someone pays you for air, it means they'll gain even more than you. The vast audience, even if not very knowledgeable or wealthy, generates buzz and can be monetized. Let's assume the coin is listed, and most of the audience will rush to sell their coins at a low price. People who sell at low prices are called weak hands or hamsters. In order for someone to sell coins, someone must buy them from them. But where does money for buying these coins from 20 million out of 100 million users come? It comes from large project investors, not the developers themselves. But what's the benefit for these investors? Most Hamster Combat players are financially illiterate, happy to sell their coins cheaply on listing day. Investors buy these cheap coins and the coin's price rises sharply due to market dynamics. The hype around Hamster Combat drives the price up, attracting new buyers who purchase coins at a higher price. Investors then sell these coins at a profit. For example, let's look at Notcoin's listing day on 16th of May. The price dropped as everyone tried to sell their Notcoins, but not everyone succeeded due to bot overload. The price remained low for about a week and a half while investors bought up cheap coins. Then it shot up as the increased price attracted new buyers. The same will likely happen with Hamster Combat. Not listing the coin would mean losing a huge audience without making money. The strategy is, first, create a free clicker with a fun design that promises wealth. Second, attract a huge audience with financially literate users who will sell their coins cheaply. Thirdly, attract investors ready to buy these coins at a low price. And finally, as the coin gains popularity, sell it at a higher price, making money off the hype generated by these users. Friends, as you've seen, only investors and creators make money in this kind of activity. But you have a chance to become an investor before it's too late. Since my channel is about trading, let me show you how the cryptocurrency market really works. For more on trading, cryptocurrencies and strategies, follow my Telegram channel where I post valuable information and host streams daily. Let's get started. So I'm on the trading platform which I regularly use, Pocket Option. Here we see the most popular currency pairs, the most popular and in demand. Well, let's take the most basic one, Bitcoin. So why is Bitcoin so attractive? Well, it's because it's the most capitalized cryptocurrency in the world, with over 3 trillion invested in it. Even with such a large capital, Bitcoin's price sometimes rapidly changing, providing us excellent earning opportunities. So let's get started. Now I opened Pocket Option platform and picked up Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Applied to my chart 2 indicators, moving averages, a short one, 9 period, and a long term, 21st period. And I'm kind of noticing that my 9th period moving average is about to cross the 21st period moving averages. And when my 9th period moving average will cross 21st moving average, I will open a trade. But how I will open? So if my moving average, this line, will cross the 21st moving average above, then I'll open it for a buy. If it, well, I think, yeah, I'll open it for a buy. But if it crossed below the 21st period, I would open it for a sell. So let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, so I've just noticed that my 9 period moving average crossed the 21st period moving average, and as this crossover occurred, I opened a buy order, so a trade with an asset to buy, and this signal confirms me that the trend will go up, so it will be an upward trend. Okay, so I just got a profit of $920 just trading on Bitcoin cryptocurrency using moving averages indicators. And yeah, as I said, crossover occurred, showed me an upward trend and confirmed it, so the strategy went well, 100% profit. So So now I will open another deal. I've just added the RSI indicator to my chart with the default period set to 14. Okay, the level 30 indicates that the currency pair the currency pair is oversold, and the level above 70 indicates that the currency is overbought. So now I'm looking at RSI chart. In Bitcoin cryptocurrency chart, RSI, the line of RSI is close to the level of 70. It means that Bitcoin cryptocurrency is close to being overbought. That means there will be a pullback, so the price will decrease. So I'm going to open a deal for sell, so a sell signal. And let's try it. Okay, got another profit of $920 using the RSI indicator. Again, price lowered, confirming the correctness of RSI indicator and bring me a profitable trade. So friends, I've briefly shown you how to make real money with cryptocurrencies without wasting time on tapping your screen and growing a hamster. In a few minutes, I've earned about $2,000, which is far more than just weeks of clicking on your screen on one button. I hope I answered all your questions about how Hamster Combat works. That's all for today. Please put likes on videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next videos and streams on YouTube. With love, your Jessica. Thank you. Bye bye.